Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing how I passed the HashiCorp Terraform Associate Certification, my exact preparation strategy, the best free and paid resource I used, and the real tips to help you pass on your first try. If you are in DevOps engineer or planning to start your DevOps career, this certification is a great way to boost your skills and your CV. So let's dive in. So first of all, what is Terraform Associate Certification? It's a certification by HashiCorp, the creator of Terraform. It tests your understanding of infrastructure as code, Terraform concept, command, and real-world usage. It's ideal if you are working with cloud platform like AWS, Azure, or outscale OVH. This is the official site of HashiCorp. So, what is Terraform? Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool that lets you build, change, and version infrastructure safely and efficiently. Like provider, there is AWS, Azure, Oracle, GCP, and many others providers. So, to prepare your exam, I started with the official Learn HashiCorp sites. It's free and official, like learning path and many other documentation like what is provider, command like Terraform plan, apply, validate, model versioning, input, output value, calling child model, resource, states, what is HashiCorp Terraform, private registry, and this is the exam content list, like understand infrastructure as code, the purpose of the purpose of Terraform, use Terraform outside the core workflow, and understand HashiCorp Terraform capability, and to have a free question like true or false question. There is six question in the HashiCorp official site. Donc you find like question and the answer. And I used Udemy course with practice exam to simulate real condition, and I read the official exam guide and made flashcard for definition. And to practice like a hand-on and labs, I deployed infrastructure using Terraform on AWS. And like I give you a free platform, it's ExamTopics. You can find below many exams, and for me, for HashiCorp, you find HashiCorp, and there is two exams, Terraform Associated 003, it's popular, and the Vault certification if you want to pass a Vault certification. And this, you browse the question and you find many questions like the Terraform TIFF states file always match your current build infrastructure, and it's true or true false question, or multiple choose a question, like for example what is the workflow for deploying a new infrastructure with Terraform, and it's the right Terraform configuration, run Terraform init, run Terraform plan to view planet infrastructure change, and Terraform apply to create a new infrastructure. If you have a question or something else, please contact me in my YouTube channel or in the social media. You can find me Bassam Kriya or in my YouTube channel, Ministry of DevOps, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DevOps and cloud content. See you in the next video, and thank you.